DJM TV.
Bandits still dey do serious gbege for inside Naija. Ambitious country people, how una side now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, sake of the time when be the time now when una take dey look us on top our ogbonge day-to-day informative yarns on top our sabi station wey be DJM TV. Na me una correct country brother Stanley Okocha. Na me wan yarn una this ogbonge informate wey dey shele for inside obodo Naija on top this time. Even though Presido Muhammadu Buhari don yarn sojo pipo make dem kpai any person wey dey carry AK-47 kalash for anywhere inside Naija, bandits wey dey use AK-47 kalash still dey use the kalash take dey kpake country pipo and still dey do serious gbege for inside Naija. For inside Zamfara state, the chairman for the council of chiefs wey im name be Emir Ahmad don yarn say na more than 30,000 bandits na im get many kalash for inside the state. Im yarn this one when e dey yarn with security ogas dem for inside government house when e dey for inside Zamfara state, sake of say dis security ogas dem come do wakament for Zamfara state when they come meet with the governor of Zamfara state when im name be Governor Bello Matawalle. The emir come here join say if this number of bandits when e be say they dey the state get this kind number of kalash for inside the state, na im be say na big gbege na im everybody when e dey for inside the state don dey. E come here say e good make security ogas dem make dem ginger their boys to make sure say this kind gbege wey be say e dey shele for inside the state come down. For inside Kogi state, bandits don kpake 3 sisters. According to our tori man for the state, the 3 sisters bin dey sleep for inside their own house when the bandits come bulldozer their way enter inside the house and come kpake the 3 girls comot go for inside bush. Our tori man yarn say the family of the girls don yarn come out say the bandits don telephone call them and they come dey ask the family make them bring 100 million naira kpogiri before dem go give the girls freedom to take comot from inside the bush when dem kpake dem go keep come go back their house. Still for inside Zamfara state, bandits when carry kalash and dey ride on top motorcycle don enter Damaga community when dey for inside Maradun local government area for inside the state. According to the person when im eye see am as e dey shele when im name be Musa Damanga, when come still yarn with our tori man, some children when dem send go school go learn book be dey inside their class dey learn their book as dem come sight the bandits when e be say dem dey come, na so all of dem come gbase leave their book and everything when e be say dem bin dey do and come gbase for their own life. Im come yarn join say na 30 people na im kpai on top the matter. For im mouth as im take yarn with our tori man, the bandits enter the community for around 1 o'clock for afternoon and they come begin shoot for everywhere and on top any person when e be say dem see. Even some students when e be say dem be dey take lesson for inside the school when they dey call day secondary school for inside the community come gbase comot for their class as dem send the bandits dey come their own side. As I dey yarn you now, the body of the people when e be say kpai on top the matter so na we dey gather to make sure say we give them better arrangement for burial. When our tori man come try to get informate from the Olapa people when e dey for the state, the Olapa talk person for the state when im name be SP Muhammad Shehu, im come yarn say make our tori man give am some time sake of say im dey one serious meeting when e concern the matter, but e come still promise say im go yarn with our tori man after the meeting. Still for the bandit gbege matter, the Islamic book man when e be say everybody know very well for inside Naija when him name be Sheikh Ahmad Gumi don yarn say the reason bandits still dey do serious gbege for inside Naija na because say the bandits believe say everybody wey dey for inside Naija na dem dey do gbege against dem, and na im come make dem come dey serious for inside the gbege when dem dey do for all na to make sure say dem survive the way dem take dey run the thing. Ahmad Gumi yarn this one when im dey do talk meeting with our tori man. Im come say yarn say make government use wetin im call non-kinetic approach sake of say na im go bring solutionment to the bandit wahala. Im come yarn say make non-kinetic approach be 90% and make kinetic approach be 10%. Im still yarn join say na the kinetic approach when e be say government dey use na im come dey cause the one wey be say Naija come dey face now. For Sheikh Ahmad himself mouth, na the use of kinetic force when government dey use na im dey cause wetin dey shele now. The bandit think say na ethnic cleansing where everybody dey gbege against them, and na so na im dey come dey think when come make them come dey do serious gbege because for their mind na to survive na im dem dey so they come really dey serious for the gbege. Still on top of the security matter when e be say Naija dey face now, the chairman of the Naija National Council for Traditional Rulers wey still be the Sultan of Sokoto when im name be Alhaji Muhammad Sa'ad Abubakar II don yarn say na the government of General Agoyi Ironsi, Yakubu Gowon and Olusegun Obasanjo join do contribution for the security matter when e come be say e come dey gbege for inside Naija now sake of say dem come carry traditional rulers go put for the background wey no get any work to do when the constitution of Naija give dem. He yarn this one for one talk table meeting when dem the House of Senate Steering Committee for Constitution check matter do for inside Abuja. According to am, na the 1966 unitary decree when Ironsi bring, the 1967 Gowon and the 1976 Obasanjo local government rearrangement na im be the beginning of the security gbege sake of all the decree when e be say dem come bring and come comot power comot from traditional rulers hand and come knack the power put for local government council hand. The Sultan when e be say na the ex-Nupe when im name be Alhaji Yahaya Abubakar stand for, yarn say na all this one na im cause the serious security wahala when e be say Naija come dey face now. He yarn say before the 1976 local government rearrangement, Naija na one place when things dey move forward siriri werere, peace yakata for everywhere clear and still get traditions and cultures when e be say dem dey very very beautiful. Im come yarn the National Assembly make dem give the power of the traditional rulers back to them as the constitution be yarn before. Im come still yarn join say the colonial people know the power of the traditional rulers when they first enter Naija, na im make them use the traditional rulers take make their indirect rule really solid. For the traditional ruler himself mouth, all the different level of government need traditional rulers so that dem go fit arrangement peace and security for the different areas when e be say dem dey sake of say we when be the traditional rulers na we dey always dey for ground berekete to quick quench any kwere even when olopa sojo and government people no fit quench am. Now we when be traditional rulers we no get any power when the constitution give us to take do anything well. No one even dey the Naija 1999 constitution. All this one na be one big thing when e be say dem remove for the constitution when e be say e dey before and when still know wetin we traditional rulers fit do and so give us the power. Seriously, all the before constitution give all the chairmen of the State Council of Chiefs chair when we dey sidon put for the National Council for State with all before president and chief justice dem. Im come yarn join say make the lawmakers do correct check for inside the constitution when dey now and make dem do better correctionment for on top the constitution so that the Naija people go come know the power when the traditional rulers get, sake of say no country go fit do wella when dem no know how the country take come, their custom, their value and even their beliefs. As in the yarn put for wetin the traditional rulers yarn, the second in command to the senate presido when im be the deputy senate presido when still be the chairman for the senate committee when they do check to take rearrange the 1999 constitution when im name be senator Ovie Omo Agege. Im come yarn say wetin the traditional rulers dey ask for no dey many, but im come yarn the traditional rulers make dem use their sweet mouth take yarn with the lawmakers when e be say e dey stand for dem for inside the national and all the state assembly, so that wetin dem dey ask for go come fit hold plenty water and go come get head the way they take want am, and once that one shele na be say wetin dem want e go reach their hand, and im believe say peace go come dey Naija. Country people, na here our tori when e shele for break leg. We wan thank una on top the time when e be say una don take the look us since, and we wan beg una say make una like, make una share and make una still comment for inside our comment box when e dey under this news video as we take show una so. We wan still beg business people when e dey for inside Naija when e be say dem get product and dem get wetin dem dey do when oyibo dey call service to when dem dey give to country people. Say yes, we dey do advertisement for the TV station when e be say una dey watch, so make una bring the informate concerning that service, concerning that product when una dey sell, and we go help una yarn the informate give country people, because we get many of them when they always watch our news informate anytime we knack am come out. We wan still beg una say make una subscribe if una never still subscribe on top the time when be say una don take the look us, and once una subscribe make una touch that place when the notification bell dey, so that una go continue to get alert anytime we knack out ogbonge tori when e dey shele for inside our Budu Naija come out. Until next time when e be say we go still come una way again with another ogbonge tori when go don dey shele that time. My name na Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.